this is Adventures with Jonah and Noah, and today we're going to be unboxing the Hess Truck 2019. It says Hess Tow Truck Rescue Team. You can pause to read all of this if you want. Okay, let's get in. Oh, it's so hard. Okay. This is the Hess truck. All this. Now let's get into all the features. Let's start with the little one. So first you unfold this and just unfold it. It's very easy. And this can turn on, which turns the lights on. At the bottom, the switch. Now let's get into the real Hess truck. This is the thing, the backup on the bottom. You just pull that out, that folds, and then that folds out. Let me get that. The other feature is this right here. If you pull that out, you just pull that out a little bit. This you can play. This is a play feature that can make that noise. And the buttons for the thing are just this light. That's what the end button does. And this button, it's the backup button. The backup head. And this button, it's like the middle button. It's like doing the horn or something. And the last button is the last button, or the first button right here. This button right here. That's the Hess truck. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.